one other thing that I think you mentioned in the typical scenario that you encounter where your client is a visa holder, maybe they're only here for a little while, they're planning to go back, or maybe they're just starting out, but they do have children and they just really haven't yet accumulated a lot of wealth. And I think you know where I'm going with this. How do we help them with that issue?
Well, one of the things that I suggest, and I think this is where you're going with it, I'm not 100% sure, but this is an area where I think that life insurance plays an important role. Among other things, sometimes, again, if they've got stock, they may not be able to cash it out that quickly. Even if there's a successor trustee in place, the brokerage firm may require, before they actually accept the successor trustee, they may want to see a death certificate that shows that the person that they've got listed as the initial trustee is now deceased and this other person is in place. It can take 4 to 6 weeks to get a death certificate, especially these days. But and this isn't a 100% solution by any means, but life insurance typically pays out much more quickly. You don't have to worry about, are you selling stock at the bottom of the market? And maybe if you had been able to wait a few days, the tariff rate had come down.
Wait till this afternoon.
Wait until this afternoon when it goes from 145% down to 30%. Maybe you could have gotten a more favorable price for the stock. And again, as a trustee, you have a duty to look at some of those things.
Worry about those things, yeah.
You have to worry about it. So the good news about life insurance, it may still take a couple of weeks. They may still want to have a death certificate, but at least you don't have to worry about, am I selling this stock at the bottom of the market? And now there's going to be less to take care of the beneficiary. If you've got a $100,000 life insurance policy, you're going to get $100,000 regardless of what the stock market is doing. If you've got a $500,000 life insurance policy, you're going to get $500,000 regardless of what the stock market is doing. So it is a stable form of currency that you can cash in. Well, you can cash in when it's necessary and have the money readily available to take care of the bills of the child and also the guardians.